Off we go. Sun is bright. Yeah, I need to watch the windshield too, for sure. That was a nice camping spot, it turned out. Oh, I slept really good when I fell asleep. It didn't get it. It actually got warmer, I think, as the night went on. Because it felt warmer in the morning than when we went to bed. Like, we were all up, a few of us were up talking. Wow. This is so neat. I love Park City. The ski area, I think it's the biggest ski area in the nation. It has to be. I looked at the map, there's just lifts everywhere. So neat. This is a really nice road. I mean, we're basically driving through the ski resort, which is amazing. This is probably, or I would bet 100% this is a ski run in the winter, this road. Probably a green. Oh, it is chilly. Yeah, roll my window up. Just amazing. Just went underneath a chairlift. Cool is that? Oh, you could park right here, it looks like, too. And it's not flat. Oh, they have no parking signs here. Shoo, bug. Get out. So it's Wednesday morning. I gotta get that noise checked out. It sucks. I really hope they didn't people that helped me change the tire didn't bend something. Or it's got to be that I hope something broke off the truck. Something's loose. Hope it wasn't the help. This is amazing. All the cabins and condos they have amongst the ski area. This has to be. This is probably the best ski area in the country. The way it's set up, I would have to say. So neat. Look at these condos. Can you imagine this in the winter with all the snow? It's probably just beautiful. So our altitude last night, our elevation last night was around 9,000 feet. Can't wait to see what it was in Park City. It's 53 right now. I forgot to see what the temperature was when I left. Oh wow, look at the horses here. Jeez. This is incredible. You're lucky, Utah. And I like how it's a lot of aspen trees. It's not full of evergreen trees, pine trees that, you know, catch fire in a drought. Wow, Park City is a lot lower. I did not realize that. I always thought the town was by the ski area. I mean, like literally right by it. But it looks like you got a couple mile drive if you stay in town. This is so pretty. Wow, I love it. So there's a Walmart here somewhere, and they let you sleep there. I'm gonna try and go to their parking lot. I might actually try and use their bathroom. Usually has clean bathrooms at Walmart. And it's early. Hopefully it's easy to find. You know what? Let's go down Main Street. Wow, how neat is this? Jeez. Guess we go this way. Yeah. This is incredible. I think we'll turn around here. Oh no, we can. This is kind of the main street too, it looks like. Looks like they have a lot of parking, but I'm sure they get a lot of people come here. Yeah, we're gonna turn around and go the other direction. Before I do that, I want to map where we're going in case I can't find a place to stop here. Give me 1 second. All right. Wow, I actually want to go straight. This is neat. There's a lot of stuff going on here.
Right onto Main Street.
Wow, this is incredible. Jeez, it's huge. This is the coolest town maybe
Turn left onto Deer Valley Drive.
anywhere. Like it, I can't think of a better mountain town. This Main Street is probably a mile long, at least. I mean, look how awesome it is. There's a lot of money here. Wow. Shoot, I'm gonna go left. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go straight. Oh, I bet this is pretty. Can you imagine the Christmas lights in the snow? Oh. Wow. I want to come here and Thanksgiving to Christmas. This is neat. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but I'm just amazed at how nice Park City is. Totally see how they held the Olympics. I mean, I bet it was the best Winter Olympics in a long time.
Turn left onto Deer Valley Drive.
Wow. Well, I'm going to end this video. We are leaving Park City from the campsite. Thank you for watching.